everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. This is my day 39 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. My name is Nikita and welcome to my YouTube channel English World Easy. You can see I am not well. I am not feel good because I have a little fever. In 2 days, continue. I am not feel well. I don't know why doing me. Whatever I learn, I read, I keep I keep writing it in my notebook. So I have written all this is my notebooks. So I am going to tell it to you all. Today topic is 10 important phrases for use your daily spoken at alone. And this is a basic phrase. Whatever I learn and I share to all of us. Okay, let's start. Mark my words. MARK, mark my words. मेरी बात लिख लो. Have a word with him. उससे बात कर लो. She left without a word. वो बिना कुछ कहे ही चली गई. He is a man of few words. वो बहुत कम बोलती है. He is a man of few words. I give you my word. मैं आपसे वादा करता हूँ. I don't believe you. मैं तुम्हारी बातों पर विश्वास नहीं है. मुझे तुम्हारी बातों पर विश्वास नहीं है. I don't believe in you. मुझे तुम पर विश्वास नहीं है. I don't believe in God. This means मैं भगवान को नहीं मानता. Believe it or not. मानो या ना मानो. I don't believe it. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. So guys, this is 10 important phrases today I learn and I say to all of you. I hope this is helpful to all of us. You use these phrases your daily speaking time. जब आप बोलते हो तब यूज कीजिए. मैं गॉड को भगवान को नहीं मानता. I don't believe in God. Okay, and this is a smart phrases, and in my experience this is a very useful for me. Okay, so guys, that's all. Thank you. Meet to next video. Bye bye.